Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA seems a bit stuck, like many other coins at the moment, just below that 100% extension level. Plenty of coins have arrived there. Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of selling pressure today. The altcoins overall are actually holding quite well. Yeah, I mean, the situation hasn't changed. I know I sound like a broken record. It's still possible that this is a wave 4. It is quite high for a wave 4, but in an ending diagonal in the yellow count, in which wave C is this ending diagonal, we can see those wave 4s. And it's reached only now the 100% extension of the yellow A wave, which I mentioned to you yesterday in yesterday's video, which is just the first key resistance actually for such a C wave. So no surprise that we did get there. And it's just now here that we need to be mindful that the price could start the wave 5 to the downside from there. If, however, a low is already in, then we would need to see further upside continuation. And there are some very precise levels that the analysis provides us. So, and wave 3 in the white count, that's the white structure, is what we need to see to confirm that wave B already bottomed on the 13th of April. We need to see 5 waves filled in, and the third wave normally should reach the 6 cent level or higher. If we get there, I can add a support zone for wave 4, a micro support area. And then we can look at the 5th wave to the upside that should reach 6.5 cents or higher. Obviously, at the moment, we're still far away from that. And then that's what we need to see. If we get these 5 waves, then we might call that a wave 1. We'll have to see if this is going to be wave 1 of the larger one or something like that. It could be just this one too set up. But either way, I can't confirm that at this stage because we are just still consolidating below resistance. No breakout as such and no 5-wave pattern to the upside. If we get one more low, my interpretation would be that we get one more low to around about 3 cents or 2.6 cents, where the price could then attempt another turnaround. We already have seen a reaction, a positive reaction to our support zone. Okay, quite a substantial one actually. I mean, from the top of the zone, the price already rallied like 24%. From the low, even more. I mean, I think it's like 50%. But one more low cannot be ruled out until we get 5 waves up above resistance. So the parameters are clear. We need to see those 5 waves filled in. If one more low forms, as I said, 3 cent level, 2.6 cent level. The 3 cent level is so important because it is, if we look at this structure here, A wave, B wave, C wave, the 1.618 extension level of that A wave. Very common target for a C wave. Yeah. We can also then look at the microstructure and maybe come up with a more precise target, but there's no evidence at the moment that this wave 4 has really topped anyway. Yeah, and then as we go higher, obviously further extensions are possible. If the third wave extends a bit higher, then the 5th wave should do so as well. And there's very important structural resistance at 6.9 cents as well. Getting above that would even be, let's say, more bullish, because it would take out it would formally invalidate the assumption or the possibility that this is a wave 4 rally. Okay, the wave 4 can't obviously move beyond the wave 2. Yeah, that would be quite positive, but it's more important is the structure. More important is the structure. We need those 5 waves. And I have an overall bullish assumption for continuation in the bull market as long as the price is holding above the critical support of 1.9 cents. But I have no setup that would take the price there at the moment. So I can see possibly, yeah, the 1.618 extension, maybe if it stretches 2.6 cents there, but any lower than that would be somewhat unusual in this particular price structure. Would then need to reinterpret the micro count. But anyway, in any B wave pullback, which this is, regardless of whether it bottomed or not, we have to give it space all the way down to the 78.6 retracement. That's my update about GALA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.